Welcome to my channel. This is Doc Mountain. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to a website where you can earn some real cash and withdraw it into your PayPal account. So this website is actually called FusionCash. So we are going to look at what FusionCash is. Then I'm going to also touch on the ways or the means through which you can earn on FusionCash. Then I'm going to mention of the people who qualify to join this website so as to begin to earn some dollars here. So let's get started. What is FusionCash.net? So FusionCash is a website where users can earn money by completing online tasks. These are very simple tasks, you understand? And it offers various earning methods that cater to different interests and time availability. So now, how do you get started on FusionCash? For you to get started, you need to click the link in the bio, the one in the description section as well as in the comment section. And once you click it, you will be taken to a page where you need to sign up an account, and then simply doing that you will earn $5. Imagine that by simply creating an account you're given $5. Okay, so then what are the methods through which you earn on FusionCash? These are the methods through which you earn. You participate in surveys. Once you happen to complete an available survey, you earn some cash. Then you earn through receiving emails, and then on top of that, you can actually refer some friends. You invite them on by simply using your referral link. By so doing, you earn on FusionCash. And then lastly, you participate in offers like signing up for newsletters or downloading apps. Simply doing those simple tasks, okay, you happen to earn. Okay, so what is that you have to walk away with, especially when it comes to the methods of payout? You withdraw your earnings using your PayPal account, and then the $5 that you happen to be given for simply creating an account is added to your balance. Imagine how cool that. Okay, so now things that you need to consider. These include the following. FusionCash tasks require dedication and time to accumulate earnings. Best for people looking for small tasks to complete in their spare time. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to earn big, you have to dedicate your time to this. You do lots of tasks. You can actually earn more than $25 if you are able to do as many tasks as you can. You blend them, okay? There are also those other tasks where you have to watch videos, you understand? So the takeaway points are the following. FusionCash can be a good source of extra income with investment. You have to understand the time to money ratio for realistic expectations. It's ideal for making money during free moments. To those of you who are not in full-time employment, I think you'd actually earn a lot of money by actually spending so much time on the website.